Cladco Composite Fencing Panels, posts and caps offer a versatile, low-maintenance solution for your outdoor fencing project. Cladco Composite Fencing Panels feature a superior 6-hole honeycomb design that provides rigidity whilst reducing weight for easier handling. Measuring 3.6 metres in length, Cladco Composite Fencing Panels slot together quickly and easily on top of each other using a tongue and groove method. Unlike other fencing products such as timber, Cladco Composite Fencing is a low-maintenance solution that requires no sanding, varnishing or painting, reducing upkeep costs once installed. Measuring 3 metres in length and 100 millimetres square, Cladco Composite Fence Posts make sure each panel is installed securely. Install using either a slot between method by removing the central channel within the post, or fix the composite panel to the front of the post. The choice is yours. Manufactured from environmentally friendly composite material, Cladco Fencing is 60% recycled hardwood fibres and 40% recycled plastics. Cladco Composite Fencing products are rot and splinter resistant and will not attract insects or pests, unlike timber fencing products. Cladco composite posts can be finished with matching post caps that can prevent water, debris and insects from entering into the posts. Composite fencing panels and posts can be cut using a jigsaw or traditional wood saw to create the perfect perimeter for your garden or outside project.